Sushi bake, a gift from the heart. This dish is more than just food. It's a symbol of love and care, perfect for sharing with someone special. Making sushi for someone special is a wonderful way to show you care. The process of preparing each ingredient, from slicing the fish to seasoning the rice, is a labor of love. It's like giving a little piece of your heart wrapped in deliciousness. Every bite is a testament to the effort and affection you put into creating this meal. Today we're making sushi bake. This dish combines all the flavors of traditional sushi, but in a convenient baked form. It's easier than regular sushi, but just as yummy. Layering the ingredients and baking them together creates a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Your boyfriend will love it. The rich, savory taste combined with the fun of making it together will make the experience unforgettable. Sushi bake is perfect for a date night or a special occasion. Imagine the two of you sharing this delightful dish in a cozy, romantic setting. It's fun to make together and even more fun to eat. The joy of cooking as a team adds an extra layer of connection and happiness. Plus, it looks beautiful on the table. The vibrant colors and elegant presentation make it a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. Trust me, your boyfriend will be so impressed. The combination of taste, effort, and presentation will leave a lasting impression. So, are you ready to get started? Gather your ingredients, set the mood, and let's dive into this culinary adventure together. Let's make a sushi bake that will make his heart melt. With each step, you'll be creating not just a meal, but a memory that you both will cherish. Sushi rice is the heart of our sushi bake. It's what gives the dish its unique texture and flavor, making it a true delight. We start by rinsing the rice. This removes extra starch, which can make the rice too sticky and clumpy. Rinsing is a crucial step to ensure each grain is perfectly separated. Rinse until the water is clear. This might take a few washes, but it's worth it for that perfect sushi rice. Now let's cook the rice. Using a rice cooker is the easiest method, ensuring consistent results every time. You can use a rice cooker. It's easy. Just follow the instructions for the perfect water-to-rice ratio. Once it's cooked, we add a special vinegar mixture. This mixture typically includes rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. This gives it that yummy sushi flavor. The vinegar not only adds taste, but also helps preserve the rice. Let the rice cool a bit. Spreading it out in a large bowl helps it cool faster and evenly. While it's cooling, we gently fan the rice. This traditional technique helps to give the rice a glossy finish. This helps it get that perfect sticky texture. The right balance of stickiness is essential for making sushi. Now our rice is ready for the sushi bake. With the rice perfectly prepared, we're all set to create a delicious sushi bake that everyone will love. Next comes the fun part, choosing our seafood. Salmon is always a good choice. It's rich and flavorful. You can use fresh salmon or smoked salmon. Tuna is another great option. It has a bold taste that many people love. Don't be afraid to try other seafood too. Shrimp, crab, and even octopus can be delicious in a sushi bake. Remember to buy fresh, high-quality seafood. It makes a big difference in the taste. Now let's prepare our seafood for the bake. Section 4, building your sushi bake masterpiece. Now the exciting part, we're about to create a delicious and visually stunning sushi bake that will impress your friends and family. Let's dive into the process step by step. We're going to layer all our yummy ingredients in a baking dish. This is where the magic happens, as each layer adds a unique flavor and texture to the final dish. First, press the sushi rice into the bottom. Make sure to spread it evenly to create a solid base for the other ingredients. The rice should be compact but not too dense. Make it nice and even. This ensures that every bite has the perfect amount of rice, providing a balanced foundation for the layers to come. Next, add a layer of your chosen seafood, whether it's crab, shrimp, or salmon. Make sure it's evenly distributed. The seafood adds a rich, savory flavor that complements the rice perfectly. Then get creative with other toppings. This is your chance to personalize your sushi bake. Think about adding vegetables, sauces, and other ingredients that you love. Cream cheese, avocado, cucumber, and other fresh ingredients can add a delightful contrast in texture and flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations. And sriracha mayo are all delicious choices. The spicy kick from the sriracha mayo can elevate the dish. adding a layer of heat that balances the creamy and savory elements. Once you've added all your toppings, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to the right temperature and place your dish inside. Baking helps meld all the flavors together, creating a harmonious and delicious final product. Bake until everything is heated through and the flavors have melded together. You'll know it's ready when the top is slightly golden and the aroma fills your kitchen. While it's baking, let's talk about presentation. A beautifully presented dish can make all the difference. Consider garnishing with fresh herbs, sesame seeds, or a drizzle of extra sauce. Serve it hot and enjoy the compliments from your guests. Section 5. Sharing is caring. Presentation is key. A beautifully presented sushi bake is even more tempting. Let the bake cool slightly, then slice it into squares. Arrange the squares on a plate and garnish them. Sesame seeds, green onions, and Japanese mayonnaise are all great choices. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with your boyfriend. He's going to love the care you put into making him this special treat. Don't forget to take pictures and share them with me too. Happy cooking!